After years of anticipation, the long-awaited 2025 Tesla Model 2 is finally ready to hit the market. A fully tested version was recently spotted, bringing Elon Musk's promise of affordable electric vehicles for everyone one step closer to reality. Industry experts are calling it the perfect blend of affordability, cutting-edge technology, and Tesla's renowned performance, something that could revolutionize the EV landscape overnight. Before diving into the details, this video serves as a recap of the latest news on the Tesla Model 2 test version, as well as an update with some crucial new information. Don't miss our in-depth coverage of this game-changing vehicle. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're one of the first to learn how the Model 2 will transform the automotive industry forever. How is Tesla shaking up the industry with this next-gen, affordable EV? Elon Musk confirmed during Tesla's Q4 2024 earnings call that the highly anticipated affordable EV would be launching in the first half of 2025. Now, with only a few months to go, Tesla may be on the verge of unveiling its most significant vehicle yet. Speculation is running wild, fueled by references to the project as Project Redwood internally, and as the Model Q or Model 2 in external discussions. In December, a Chinese tech outlet leaked details suggesting that the car's size would fall between a Mini and the Model 3, right in line with expectations for Tesla's compact, mass-market EV. However, many questions still remain. Where will it be built? Will it share parts with existing models? And when can customers finally get their hands on it? Production is now expected to happen at Giga Texas instead of Giga Mexico, due to new tariffs under the current US administration. This shift will place the next-gen EV alongside the Cybertruck on the production line, leading to significant parts overlap, which will help streamline costs. Just as the Model 3 and Model Y share components, Tesla's upcoming vehicle is expected to borrow heavily from the Cybertruck's platform, including a lower-powered rear motor, a smaller battery pack, and a compact chassis. Standardizing components will allow Tesla to cut production costs, making both the Cybertruck and this new EV more affordable. Lars Moravy, Tesla's VP of Engineering, recently appeared on the Ride the Lightning podcast, emphasizing Tesla's commitment to providing premium value at an affordable price. To achieve this, the company is exploring new materials and design innovations to improve durability, aesthetics, and overall build quality. What makes the Cybertruck's design innovative, and how will it influence the Model 2? One standout feature seen on the Cybertruck is its pre-colored plastic body panels, designed to be easy to manufacture, customize, and replace, unlike traditional painted exteriors. These panels make scratches and scuffs less noticeable since the color runs through the material, reducing repair costs and hassle. While the Cybertruck has been shown in a striking yellow, Tesla is expected to offer various finishes and textures for the next-gen EV, creating a fresh and unique look that sets it apart from anything else on the market. At the recent We Robot event, Tesla shared more details about the Cybertruck, allowing us to estimate its battery size. We expect a range of 220 to 270 miles, depending on the exact configuration. Tesla also confirmed that the Cybertruck will feature a more energy-efficient drivetrain, improving its efficiency over current Tesla models. This drivetrain will likely be shared with the next-gen EV, meaning it will also achieve lower energy consumption per mile. Will wireless charging be a feature of the next-gen EV? Unlike the Cybertruck, Tesla's next-generation EV is unlikely to include wireless charging, at least not at launch. Wireless charging is costly, and currently, the Cybertruck is the only vehicle designed with this feature. Tesla has hinted at rolling out wireless charging at select V4 supercharger stations in the future, but this will likely be reserved for premium models like the Cybertruck rather than the entry-level Model 2. As a result, updates for the Model S and Model X may include wireless charging before it becomes a standard feature across the Tesla lineup. What about pricing? Is the $25,000 Tesla still on the table? Tesla has long referred to this new vehicle as the $25,000 car, but that figure was mentioned over 4 years ago. While the company has stayed tight-lipped about exact pricing, the 2021 reference to the $25,000 target still stands as a point of interest. Currently, Tesla offers a lower-cost rear-wheel drive Model 3 in Mexico for around $37,500. though this version strips out premium features like heated and ventilated seats. Additionally, Tesla is working on a more affordable Model Y, expected to be 20% cheaper to produce than the current version. Considering these factors, it's likely that Tesla's next-gen EV will be priced somewhere between the $25,000 to $37,500 range, depending on the configuration and features. The 2025 Tesla Model 2 is expected to launch at around $17,576 before any incentives. When factoring in potential fuel savings and tax credits, this price point could make it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Tesla has also hinted at a special event tied to its referral program, which could coincide with the unveiling of this next-generation affordable EV. With only a few months left until mid-2025, we could soon get more details on this highly anticipated model. Would you consider buying a Tesla for just $17,575? How does the 2025 Model Y upgrade compare to the $17,579 Model 2 Redwood? The Model 2 Redwood is essentially a more affordable version of the Model Y, streamlined to maximize cost efficiency without compromising on key features. Rather than creating an entirely new platform, Tesla has chosen to repurpose its existing Model 3 and Model Y production lines. This approach allows for faster deployment and lower manufacturing costs, aligning with Tesla's goal of scaling production while improving efficiency. Tesla calls this process Depop, a strategy focused on simplifying designs to speed up product launches while still maintaining essential performance features. This effort won't be limited to China. Tesla's US and European factories are operating below full capacity, making it highly likely that the Model 2 Redwood will be launched globally. This move would help Tesla revitalize demand in multiple markets. A recent Reuters report also revealed that Tesla is working on a cost-reduced Model Y, codenamed Project E41, expected to launch in 2026. Although primarily targeting the Chinese market, the cost-cutting strategies used in Project E41 will likely influence the Model 2 Redwood. The goal for the 2026 Model Y is to reduce production costs by 20%, making it one of the most affordable electric SUVs in its class. Tesla has already demonstrated this approach with the recently released budget version of the Model 3 in Mexico, which stripped down premium features like rear screens, ambient lighting, and vegan leather to keep costs low. If the Model Y follows the same pattern, we can expect similar cost-saving measures to be applied to the Model 2 Redwood. One major cost-saving move in the Mexican Model 3 was replacing vegan leather seats with woven fabric upholstery. This change is expected to carry over to both the budget Model Y and the Model 2 Redwood. Similarly, Alcantara trim was replaced with the same woven fabric, further cutting costs. Additionally, the removal of heated and ventilated seats, as well as the heated steering wheel, simplifies the vehicle's wiring and reduces the number of electrical components needed, making production more efficient. Perhaps the most surprising change in the Mexican Model 3 was the removal of the rear screen. While this system had minimal production costs, it was designed in such a way that owners could add a screen later if desired. If this trend continues, both the 2026 Model Y and the Model 2 Redwood could ship without a rear display, but still feature the necessary hardware to easily add one later. Other cost-cutting measures include the simplification of interior lighting, with RGB ambient lighting replaced by a simpler white-only option, reducing costs while leaving room for potential upsells on higher trims. Tesla has also reduced the use of double-pane acoustic glass, now only including it on the front windows and windshield to cut manufacturing expenses. The audio system in the budget Model 3 was another area of cost reduction. Tesla cut the number of speakers from 17 to just 9, removing the subwoofer and amplifier. This change not only lowers component costs, but also simplifies the vehicle's wiring. If this design carries over to the Model 2 Redwood, we can expect a more basic audio setup with the possibility of upgrading later. A new approach to manufacturing. Tesla's cost-cutting approach with the Model 2. Redwood isn't limited to just removing premium features. The company is also making significant changes to the way the car is built, particularly in its casting process. Tesla pioneered the use of front and rear single-piece castings with its GigaPress technology. However, for the Model 2 Redwood, Tesla has decided to eliminate the front gigacasting and improve the rear casting. This decision stems from production limitations. Only Giga Texas and Giga Berlin were initially set up to produce both front and rear castings. These factories originally relied on structural battery packs with 4,680 cells, but due to lower than expected performance of the early 4,680 cells, Tesla reverted to a more conventional battery pack design. As a result, the front casting was removed. This change standardizes production across all Model Y production sites and simplifies the supply chain, which in turn reduces complexity and improves assembly efficiency and repairability. At the same time, Tesla has improved the rear casting. The redesigned rear gigacast is now 7 kilograms, 15.4 pounds, lighter, dropping from 67 kilograms, 147 pounds. This lighter design helps further streamline the production process while reducing material costs. The Model 2 Redwood is shaping up to be a highly cost-efficient, affordable electric vehicle, using simplified designs and innovative manufacturing processes to keep prices low while maintaining core performance. With production expected to ramp up in mid-2025, more details will surely emerge soon. The countdown to the Model 2's release is on. Will you be ready to make the switch to Tesla? The weight of the rear casting has been reduced from 147 pounds, 67 kilograms, to just 132 pounds, 60 kilograms, representing a 15% decrease. This weight reduction not only improves the vehicle's driving dynamics and efficiency, but also boosts structural rigidity, reducing body flex under load. Tesla's in-house fluid dynamics software played a key role in optimizing these castings, incorporating organic-like structures in some areas and river flow-like patterns in others. Additionally, Tesla has drastically cut the production time for rear castings, from 10,080 seconds per unit down to just 75 seconds, achieving an almost 60% reduction. Tesla's advancements in casting aren't just focused on weight savings, they also enhance durability and scalability. The company has introduced a new cooling method in the Giga Press, using direct mold cooling to better control metal flow and cooling rates. In 2023, Tesla patented a real-time thermal control system for casting, enabling precise mixing of metals to optimize part quality. These innovations have allowed Tesla to ramp up production speeds, with Giga Berlin, Giga Texas, and Fremont now producing a Model Y every 43 seconds, while Giga Shanghai's 2 production lines produce a vehicle every 35 seconds. For the Model 2 Redwood, these manufacturing improvements will likely lead to even lower production costs and greater efficiency. If Tesla decides to reintroduce front and rear gigacastings in the future, potentially using its upcoming unboxed assembly method, production could become even more streamlined, further lowering costs and boosting profit margins. However, for now, the Model 2 Redwood is a highly optimized version of the Model Y, benefiting from Tesla's most advanced yet cost-effective production techniques. Tesla's goal with the Model 2 Redwood is to make EVs more accessible, offering a great balance of price and features. But has Tesla cut too much? Would you be willing to sacrifice some luxuries to own a Tesla at just $17,579? With these dramatic changes, could this be the most exciting Tesla yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. The Model 2 has completed its first phase of testing, and the results have amazed engineers with the car's capabilities. Stay tuned for more exclusive details in future updates. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with this groundbreaking vehicle as it gets closer to its 2025 release. As Elon Musk shared, the current production schedule for the Model 2 is aimed for the second half of 2025, with revolutionary new manufacturing technology set to play a big role. The wait is almost over. The $15,750 Tesla Model 2 has been spotted during testing in the US, and the specs are shocking everyone. True to Musk's bold statement about launching a new generation platform in 2025, Tesla has been secretly testing this game-changing EV. So, how can a budget Tesla actually outperform gasoline sedans? How does this lightweight EV achieve such incredible speed and efficiency? How does the Model 2's testing acceleration redefine budget power? The acceleration of the Model 2 during testing has redefined what we expect from budget electric vehicles. Through meticulous real-world prototyping, engineers and automotive research teams have documented multiple test runs in California and Arizona, tracking the vehicle's performance using advanced GPS and telemetry systems. The results validate the Model 2's extraordinary capabilities. At the heart of this breakthrough is a single rear-wheel drive motor, delivering between 190 and 210 horsepower and 290 to 310 Newton-meters of torque. These aren't theoretical specs, but actual measurements confirmed through independent testing. The Model 2's performance rivals the Model 3's standard range, which boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.3 seconds, but at a fraction of the cost. What makes the Model 2 so impressive is its ability to deliver instant torque. Unlike traditional combustion engines, which take 2 to 3 seconds to reach peak torque at around 4,300 RPM, the Model 2 can unleash 300 Newton-meters of torque in 0.7 seconds, just 0.1 seconds. This represents a 70% instantaneous power advantage, completely transforming acceleration dynamics. Comparing the Model 2 to other budget electric competitors highlights its superior performance. For instance, the BYD Seagull, with just 74 horsepower, takes around 10 to 11 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. In contrast, the Model 2 is projected to sprint to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. Similarly, the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV, which only has 27 horsepower and a minimum 15-second 0 to 60 time, makes the Model 2 look like a true performance machine, delivering 7 times the power in a third of the time. Weight optimization also plays a role in the Model 2's performance. The prototype weighs between 2,700 and 2,900 pounds, striking a balance between agility and structural integrity. This lean design, combined with cutting-edge electric propulsion, gives the Model 2 incredible performance while maintaining efficiency. The 2025 Model 2 outshines its competitors by offering exceptional performance while weighing significantly less. And here's something exciting. Switching from your current vehicle to the new Model 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a total performance revolution. For just $15,750, Tesla is delivering acceleration that rivals vehicles costing twice as much. This isn't just another budget electric car, it's a groundbreaking technological statement that sets new standards for affordable performance. Would you believe a $15,750 car could outperform vehicles that cost twice as much? If so, drop a 15759 in the comments below. Breaking the performance barriers in the affordable EV segment. The Model 2's performance during testing has shattered expectations for affordable EVs. Verified by multiple independent research teams and through extensive road testing, Tesla's Model 2 prototype has been secretly equipped with game-changing sodium-ion battery technology, revolutionizing electric mobility. This new 50 to 60 kilowatt-hour battery destroys traditional cost and performance barriers. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, the sodium-ion tech reduces operational costs by 30 to 40%, dropping the price to $50 to $60 per kilowatt-hour, compared to lithium's $80 per kilowatt-hour. This technological marvel doesn't just promise affordability, it offers unmatched efficiency. With a drag coefficient of approximately 0.23 and an impressive energy efficiency of 5.0 to 5.5 miles per kilowatt-hour, the Model 2 is capable of achieving extraordinary range. In real-world testing, this new battery tech allows the Model 2 to travel 310 miles on a single charge, enough to drive from Los Angeles to Las Vegas. While competitors like the BYD Seagull struggle with a range of 190 to 252 miles, the Model 2 extends that range by 30 to 50%, making long-distance travel a real option for budget-conscious consumers. The sodium-ion battery also delivers fantastic cold weather performance, retaining 80% of its capacity at 20 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to just 60% for lithium batteries. Does 310 miles of range satisfy your needs? If so, leave a 310 miles comment below. If not, let us know your ideal range and why. Economic advantages and efficiency. The economic benefits are equally impressive. Operating costs for the Model 2 are just $0.03 per mile, compared to $0.10 per mile for traditional gas vehicles. This difference results in savings of over $15,000 annually. Additionally, charging the Model 2 is a breeze. It can reach 80% capacity in just 10 minutes, addressing one of the long-standing concerns about EV charging times. Perhaps most remarkably, the Model 2's sodium-ion battery is incredibly durable, capable of handling over 3,000 charging cycles, which translates to around 750,000 miles before showing significant capacity loss. This makes the Model 2 far more durable than competitors like the BYD Seagull, outperforming it by nearly 50%. This is a technological revolution, making high-performance, sustainable transportation accessible to millions of budget-conscious consumers. The Model 2 isn't just about transportation. It's about economic freedom. Historically, cutting-edge technology has been reserved for the wealthy. Electric vehicles, once seen as a luxury for high-income individuals, are now being redefined as accessible innovations. Budget EVs have often meant sacrificing performance, range, or reliability, but the Model 2 dismantles those compromises. With competitive acceleration, extended range, lower operating costs, and impressive durability, it turns electric vehicles from a niche luxury into a practical mainstream solution. By making advanced EV technology financially accessible, Tesla is opening the door for a broader audience to engage with cutting-edge mobility solutions. Would a 10-minute charge time erase your concerns about EV charging? If so, leave a 10 minutes comment below. How was the Model 2's performance forged through rigorous testing? Want to know more about the testing process behind the Model 2? Here's an exclusive look at how it was all done. Acceleration testing has been at the heart of validating the Model 2's capabilities. Over 100 test runs have been carried out across various locations, providing concrete data on the car's performance. If you want to stay updated with the latest insights from Tesla, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This is your go-to source for exclusive updates on the future of electric mobility. The Model 2 prototype has passed multiple sprint tests, consistently hitting an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds. This performance wasn't a one-off. It repeated the feat several times, even reaching 80 miles per hour in just 11 seconds. In comparison, competitors like the BYD Seagull take over 14 seconds to hit the same speed, giving the Model 2 a clear 20% performance advantage. When it comes to range and durability, the 2025 Model 2 is pushing the limits of what we expect from budget EVs. In grueling 100-degree Fahrenheit conditions, the Model 2 completed over 50 test loops, maintaining an impressive 260-mile range with only a 3% capacity loss. In cooler environments, that range increased to 310 miles, challenging the notion that affordable EVs can't go the distance. The prototype also passed thermal endurance tests, maintaining full power while climbing hills at 50 miles per hour, under a 1,000-pound load, something that would cause competitors like the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV to lose 20% of its power. But perhaps the most remarkable finding was that after 10,000 miles of rigorous testing, the prototype still achieved its 5.3-second 0 to 60 miles per hour performance. This level of durability sets a new industry benchmark, far outpacing competitors like the Leap Motor T03. The Model 2 prototypes have logged a stunning 270,000 miles across diverse conditions, including rain, snow, and dust, showing just how resilient this car is. Tesla's commitment to quality goes beyond performance stats. The company is working toward earning a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and to set an ambitious goal of achieving 99% reliability. Tesla understands that for budget-conscious consumers, buying an electric vehicle is more than just a financial decision. It's a leap of faith. That's why the development of the Model 2 goes beyond performance metrics to address the core concerns of first-time EV buyers. Imagine being a consumer who's heard promises about EVs before, only to be disappointed. The Model 2 is changing that by offering unprecedented transparency and building trust through thorough testing. With 270,000 miles of comprehensive testing, the Model 2 represents a reliable companion for your daily journey. For the average driver covering 15,000 miles a year, these tests translate into nearly 18 years of reliable performance. Tesla is offering more than just a car. It's a long-term financial strategy, eliminating purchasing anxiety and replacing it with excitement. The economic benefits of the Model 2 are equally compelling. With an operational cost of just 3 cents per mile, compared to 10 cents per mile for traditional gas vehicles, the Model 2 is not only saving you money up front, it's also saving you on maintenance in the long run. The sodium-ion battery technology, with its ability to retain 80% capacity, even at negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures you're investing in a reliable, long-lasting technology that works when other vehicles might fail. This is reliability reimagined for consumers who can't afford unexpected repairs or performance drops. Tesla has also strategically addressed the 3 biggest concerns of first-time EV buyers: range anxiety, charging convenience, and long-term durability. The 310-mile range removes most range concerns, while the 10-minute fast charging capability makes it as convenient as filling up at a gas station. With 3,000 charging cycles, the Model 2 provides a level of assurance that budget vehicles simply can't match. Imagine getting all of this for just $15,750. Not just a car, but a technological revolution. The Model 2 is challenging every expectation we've ever had about affordable electric vehicles. Insane acceleration, ridiculously low operating costs, top-tier performance, and incredible battery durability. Are you ready to buy a 2025 Model 2 in Q2 this year? If you want to keep up with mind-blowing Tesla innovations, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon, as more testing schedules are being planned and exclusive insider details are coming your way. Tesla has been quiet about the Model 2, but new testing prototypes spotted at Giga Texas and Berlin confirm a major breakthrough that's about to shake up the industry. And here's the bombshell. The Model 2 will feature a 15-year battery lifespan, no hidden costs, and be designed for all ages and daily life. But how is Tesla making all this possible? Is it too good to be true? Stay tuned as we break down how Tesla is solving cramped interiors, safety concerns, and hidden expenses all at once. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. System reacts 0.4 seconds faster than the industry average, which might sound small, but it can reduce stopping distance by about 35 feet at highway speeds. When was the last time an affordable vehicle prioritized your safety with these premium features? The Model 2 is breaking this mold by making them standard, not optional extras. Tesla's latest manufacturing plans reveal that the Model 2 will have 8 airbags positioned throughout the cabin, double what the MG ZS offers, and even surpassing the 6 airbags in the Model 3. With Tesla's revolutionary Giga casting chassis, the Model 2's structure is 50% stronger than the Nissan Leaf and other competitors, including the BYD EVs and even the Model 3. Safety experts are already predicting a 5-star NHTSA rating for the Model 2. Tesla Model 2, breaking barriers in accessibility and safety. Tesla's next big announcement is making waves, and you won't want to miss out. Join over 23,000 subscribers who are staying ahead of the curve and following the future of electric vehicles. The big question: what's inside the Tesla Model 2 that's shaking up the industry? Redefining comfort for those with physical limitations. Affordable EVs have always had design limitations, especially for individuals with physical disabilities. For example, the Nissan Leaf, measuring just 3.9 meters long, has seats sitting only 43 centimeters off the ground, and the narrow 78 centimeters doors make it difficult to get in and out. The MG ZS EV, at 4.3 meters, doesn't even have grab handles to assist with entry. These designs create real struggles for people with mobility issues, often requiring 5 to 10 minutes to get in and out of their vehicles in pain. In places like New York, where arthritis is common, or in cities like Chicago and Sydney, the cramped cabins and limited legroom make it impossible to transport medical equipment like wheelchairs or portable oxygen tanks. Most budget EVs overlook these practical concerns, until now. The Tesla Model 2 is breaking this mold. Do you think the Model 2 will live up to the hype? Comment "shocking features" if you think Tesla is on the right track, or "not enough" if you believe they need to do more. Recent leaks from the Model 2 testing prototype reveal exciting changes. At 4.4 meters long, 10% bigger than the Nissan Leaf, the Model 2 is designed with accessibility in mind, featuring a higher crossover-inspired height that makes entering and exiting easier. Leaked sketches from Tesla's 2023 Investor Day show a hatchback design with seats positioned at 50 centimeters, much higher than the Model 3's 45 centimeter seats. This seemingly small change makes a huge difference when it comes to ease of access. Another standout feature is the door design. The Model 2 prototype includes door openings that are 90 centimeters wide, 15% wider than most compact EVs. These doors also have integrated grab handles strategically placed for maximum support, exceeding even the Model Y's respectable 88 centimeters doors. For someone with mobility issues, those extra centimeters can be the difference between independence and struggle. Inside, the Model 2 provides a spacious cabin with 1.4 meters of front legroom and 1 meter in the rear, all with a completely flat floor, no transmission tunnel to navigate. The interior is roomy, making it easy to move around and rotate while seated. With 400 liters of cargo space, much more than the Leaf's 340 liters, there's plenty of room for medical equipment without sacrificing comfort for passengers. And the inclusion of heated seats with advanced lumbar support isn't just a luxury feature. It's a thoughtful addition to reduce back pain and joint stiffness during long drives. Excited about these upgrades? Type Model 2 2025. If you're excited, or more if you want to see even more improvements. A mobility revolution. Imagine stepping into your Model 2 on a busy New York street without the usual pain and effort. Picture loading a walker into the back in London, or taking a comfortable, longer road trip with all your essential equipment during a Sydney weekend getaway. The Model 2 is quickly becoming a mobility revolution that puts accessibility front and center, without compromising style or performance. But comfort is just one part of the equation. Let's talk about the safety features that Tesla has prioritized, something that's often sacrificed in budget EVs. Safety without compromise. The affordable EV segment is notorious for cutting safety features to save costs. For example, the Nissan Leaf, priced at $7,795, doesn't even come with automatic emergency braking, AEB, a feature that could prevent serious accidents. The MG ZS EV only offers 2 airbags, while premium vehicles typically come with 6. Many budget-friendly EVs don't even include blind spot monitoring, which can be a critical safety feature on narrow streets or congested highways like those in London or Los Angeles. Studies have shown that EVs without AEB are 30% more likely to be involved in accidents. For someone with slower reflexes or vision impairments, the risk is even higher. But Tesla isn't following this trend. The 2025 Model 2 will come standard with Tesla's full autopilot safety suite, which includes lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and most importantly, AEB, with pedestrian and cyclist detection. In real-world terms, these 8 airbags provide 360-degree protection. Whether it's a fender bender in New York, a rollover on the Los Angeles freeway, or Tesla Model 2, revolutionizing affordable EVs for the future. Traditional vehicles, including all battery options, now come with a major benefit: the elimination of complex cooling systems. This reduces vehicle weight by 5%, enhancing both efficiency and reliability, perfect for budget-conscious drivers. Navigating the narrow streets of London, the Model 2 safety features will help protect you and your loved ones in countless scenarios. The Model 2's extensive virtual testing also shows a 43% reduction in accident probability compared to conventional vehicles. Do these safety features convince you to purchase a Model 2? If so, comment "safety." If not, let us know why. Zero hidden costs. The Tesla Model 2. Advantage for years, affordable EVs have tricked consumers with low upfront costs, only to hit them with hidden expenses down the road. For example, a Nissan Leaf might seem like a good deal at $22,500, But a $10,000 battery replacement after just 100,000 miles can negate that initial savings. The MG ZS regularly requires $2,000 for minor repairs due to parts shortages. Tesla is changing the game with the Model 2 by eliminating these hidden costs. Thanks to revolutionary new battery technology, the Model 2 is designed to save you money over the long term. Tesla plans to equip the Model 2 with next-generation solid-state batteries, which have a lifespan of 300,000 miles, 3 times the lifespan of the Nissan Leaf's batteries. When replacement is needed after 10 to 15 years, the cost will be around $3,500, far lower than the $10,000 typical for other EVs. Alternatively, Tesla may offer an aluminum-ion battery option, which is affordable, rapid charging, and has a lifespan of 350,000 miles, with replacement costs around $3,200. This technology leverages aluminum's abundance, which makes it much cheaper than lithium, and it can charge up to 80% in just 5 minutes, eliminating long wait times at charging stations. Perhaps the most exciting development is the new sodium-ion battery, which will be available for the Model 2. With a lifespan of 450,000 miles and a replacement cost of just $1,900, these batteries will completely revolutionize the cost and accessibility of electric vehicles. Sodium is not only much cheaper than lithium, but it's also safer. There's no risk of fire, unlike with lithium-ion batteries. Imagine never having to worry about that $10,000 surprise bill for a new battery. Which type of battery would you prefer? Comment, 400 million for solid state, 350 million for aluminum ion, or 450 million for sodium ion. Beyond the battery technology, the Model 2 has minimal maintenance requirements. Electric powertrains already reduce maintenance costs by 70% compared to traditional gas-powered vehicles, and Tesla's over-the-air software updates further lower costs, keeping service fees around $150 annually, compared to the $800 for conventional vehicles. Are you ready to embrace the future with the Model 2? The Tesla Model 2 is not just affordable to buy, but also economical to own for decades to come. These innovations mean Tesla is redefining what affordable transportation really looks like in the electric era. Remember when affordable cars meant sacrificing comfort, safety, or dealing with hidden costs? Tesla has flipped that script entirely with the Model 2, creating a new standard where affordability doesn't equate to compromise. Are you excited about buying the Model 2? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to know when we get behind the wheel for a full hands-on review. Now let's dive into the final section of today's findings. The truth about affordable electric vehicles. How many of you have been let down by the false promises of budget electric vehicles? You've watched your dreams of clean, affordable transportation shatter due to astronomical prices, poor range, and outdated technology that feels like it came from a garage. Well, today, we're about to reveal something that will change everything you thought you knew. We've got exclusive data on the 2025 Tesla Model 2, and we're unveiling 7 all-new features that will revolutionize electric mobility forever. If you care about the future of electric transportation, now is the time to take action. Tap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and get ready for some of the most mind-blowing automotive updates with our next 23,123 new subscribers. 1. How does the Model 2 handle like a thrill ride on a budget? Picture this, turning your daily commute into an exhilarating ride without breaking the bank. The 2025 Tesla Model 2 is a precision-engineered driving machine that redefines what an affordable EV can do. At the core of the Model 2 is a revolutionary chassis design that brings driving dynamics to a new level. Measuring 170 inches long and weighing just 2,800 pounds, the Model 2 achieves a perfect 50-50 weight distribution thanks to its strategically floor-mounted battery. Its low-slung profile and center of gravity, just 18 inches from the ground, dramatically reduce body roll by 30% compared to traditional gas vehicles. What does this mean for you? Every corner becomes a playground, and each turn feels like a dance of precision and control. Imagine driving a car that feels glued to the road, much like a budget sports car designed for agility and handling. When it comes to performance, the numbers tell the story. The Model 2 generates an impressive 0.88 to 0.92 grams of lateral grip during tests, putting it toe-to-toe with the more expensive Model 3. At 55 miles per hour, it cuts through corners with surgical precision that would make any sports car enthusiast do a double take. And the braking system? It's a marvel of engineering, stopping from 60 to 0 miles per hour in just 115 to 125 feet. Performance that rivals cars costing 3 times as much. When you compare the Model 2 to budget electric competitors like the BYD Seagull, the difference becomes crystal clear. Alternatives struggle to achieve 0.80 grams of lateral grip and require much longer stopping distances. But that's not all. Tesla's electric steering system allows for just 2.5 turns from lock to lock, offering incredible maneuverability. Imagine confidently weaving through a slalom course at 50 miles per hour with the same precision you'd expect from a BMW 3 Series, but at a fraction of the price. During cone course evaluations, the Model 2 hit 0.9 grams of lateral force without a hint of tire squeal, delivering pure driving excitement. Competitors like the BYD Seagull falter at 40 miles per hour, while the Model 2 excels thanks to its sophisticated multi-link rear suspension and finely tuned dampers that turn road imperfections into mere suggestions. All of this comes at an affordable price of just $15,750, proving that thrilling performance doesn't need to be reserved for the rich. Do you think the Tesla Model 2 could be the best handling budget EV ever? Tesla's engineers are highly impressed with its performance, and if you agree with them, leave a comment by typing Model 2 below. If you think another competitor deserves the title, share your thoughts and let's start a discussion. How does Tesla ensure long-term durability for such high performance? Tesla is also focused on ensuring that the Model 2 doesn't just perform well now, but can handle the long-term stresses of everyday driving. The durability of the Model 2 is crucial for its success, and Tesla has designed it to stand the test of time, offering performance and reliability that exceeds expectations for an affordable EV. So, what do you think about the Tesla Model 2 so far? Do you believe this could be the game changer for affordable electric cars, or do you have reservations? Let us know your thoughts. How does Tesla ensure the long-term durability of high-performance components? Have you ever wondered how Tesla plans to make a budget-friendly electric vehicle that not only performs amazingly, but continues to do so for years, even decades? Tesla's ambitious goal with the 2025 Model 2 is not just to create an affordable electric vehicle, but also to ensure its high-performance components stand the test of time. The Model 2 marks a quantum leap in automotive engineering, where durability is more than just a promise. It's a carefully crafted reality that challenges everything we know about vehicle longevity. At the core of Tesla's strategy for durability is a revolutionary approach to material science. By using lightweight aluminum throughout the vehicle's construction, Tesla has cut the non-battery weight by 30% compared to traditional steel designs. This focus on reducing weight shows Tesla's commitment to building a vehicle that will last. Taking things even further, Tesla's groundbreaking gigacasting process creates a single-piece aluminum chassis, reducing welding points by 30%. Fewer welds mean fewer potential failure points, resulting in an incredibly strong structure that promises to keep your Model 2 running smoothly long after other budget EVs have worn out. The battery, Tesla's secret to long-term performance. The battery is where Tesla's innovation shines brightest. The Model 2 is set to introduce either an aluminum-ion or sodium-ion battery, both of which completely redefine what we can expect from long-term battery performance. If Tesla opts for the aluminum-ion battery pack, it will be a total game-changer, lasting up to 7,500 charge cycles. This translates to an astounding 1.8 million miles, assuming an average of 250 miles per charge. Even the more affordable sodium-ion option will still retain 80% of its capacity after 3,000 cycles, meaning the car could last approximately 750,000 miles before significant degradation occurs. Both options are a massive leap forward compared to the typical lithium-ion batteries used in most affordable electric vehicles today. Performance meets durability in the drive unit. Performance and durability are beautifully intertwined in the Model 2's drive unit, which promises both excitement and long-lasting reliability. The rumored 200 kilowatt single motor offers a sporty 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.3 seconds, while also featuring a permanent magnet design that reduces mechanical wear by about 15% over time, 100,000 miles. This blend of power and longevity makes the Model 2 not just a fun ride, but one that will hold up for the long haul. Revolutionizing car ownership. With the 2025 Model 2, Tesla is completely reimagining the way we think about car ownership. While other brands often push you into costly trade-ins every few years, Tesla is rewriting the rules. From its impressive performance to the ability to offer upgrades that make other cars feel outdated, the Model 2 is an absolute game changer. Would you love to have the 2025 Tesla Model 2 in your garage? If so, drop a comment below. And don't just sit there. If you're serious about staying ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell now. We've got more explosive Tesla insights coming your way. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Thanks for spending some time with us. Let's keep the conversation going.